Dun, dun. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, all my riders out here? I'm at the skate park right now, chilling, riding downtown Atlanta, Georgia. You feel me? They be my spot. They be my little spot. Oh, I gotta check something. Gotta check if I got something. You feel me, man? I check a million times to see if I be having my stuff on me. I be checking a million times. Anybody else like that? Comment in the chat. Dun, dun. I'm gonna pull over a little bit, and sometime in today's video, I'm go over the mods that I've done to my R3 thus far. Okay, my 2016 Yamaha R3. I didn't even see Buddy sitting there. I was just focusing on talking. I'm gonna go over the mods that I've done for my 2016 Yamaha R3 sometime in today's video, guys, so stay tuned. It's not a whole list, but it's some pretty significant upgrades or modifications. Definitely, most definitely didn't transform the whole look of the bike. Okay guys, I have found a spot to showcase the modifications I have done to my baby 2016 Yamaha R3 here, and it's basically 4 major ones, okay, that I'm gonna start with my windshield. Okay, this is obviously a tinted windshield, okay, and I'm actually pretty satisfied with that. It's a whole windshield. You just don't tint the existing one, the clear one. You just go ahead and get a whole another one. It wasn't that expensive at all, really. It was like $20-some. All right, and I'm satisfied with that windshield. It's dark, it's darker obviously, and it kind of complements the bike a little bit. It changes it up a little bit, distinguishes it a little bit more, okay? And I like that so much that I might drop the link, Amazon link for that one in the description below. But the first one was that windshield. I like what it has done to the bike, okay? The other one is TST. TST has done 2 transitions for me, okay? These front turn signals right here, it's a kit, front turn signals, TST, and I got the cheaper version. I think it's like, what are these called, like the Halos or something like that. All right, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the brightness level, I would probably not get these for the brightness level. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I just didn't want to spend too much money on this R3, so I got the cheaper option. A little bit brighter at night. It's probably visible at nighttime, okay, but you know, daytime, unless you guys see it for yourself, how will they really show up and glow, okay? But TST, I got those front turn signals. All right, also with TST, you know how in the factory you get like that little, you get a new bike and they has the little thing sticking out, you know what I'm saying? I had that eliminated as well, you know what I'm saying? You can really get a whole, you can either do like get it inside the actual taillight assembly, or you can keep these right here, which is what I've done. All right, so originally you had that ugly thing that sticks all the way out there, you know what I'm saying? You put your license plate on it, and then it has these sticking out, right? Just so it just looks so, you know, unnatural and rough, you know what I'm saying? So I deleted that whole little plastic thing, but I kept my turn signals here. So that rear tail light eliminator kit, got that from TST as well. But the bike is so much more cooler, aggressive looking. I love the way it came out. I don't know what else I'm gonna do to it, I ain't gonna lie. You know, I don't want to do too much to it because it's 300 cc's, and who knows when I'm gonna be upgrading. Like I said, the windshield, you eliminate that rear tail light kit, you eliminate the front turn signal, drastic changes. That darker windshield complements the bike, adds to it a little bit. I don't even know what else can we do. I ain't stretching it. Maybe I was thinking about lowering it, you know. The bike already looks really good, guys, you know. Might get some bright, I definitely need some brighter lights, you know. We might change the seat out, you know, that's comfort and stuff like that. But visually, the bike looks visually so much more appealing. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get back on this thing, man. These roads, guys, I know it's gonna be basically catastrophic if you shut these roads down, but guys, get you a pit crew that's for fixing roads as fast as possible. Get you one of those, pay the money and get y'all roads fixed, man. This don't be making no sense. They'll build hotels and not hotels, they'll build apartment complexes out the wazoo. But I can't. No, I'm gonna go over. We can't get roads. You feel me? We can't get roads in this thing. It's crazy. Gusto. Skirt. You know, I see that little stick right there sticking out, and I just think of like some Final Destination type. I just thought Final Destination. Man, that movie scarred me when I was a kid. I'm not gonna lie. Made me like SpongeBob in that one episode when SpongeBob would bust his butt or something like that. Then want to go back in. That's what I felt like watching Final Destination. Didn't want to go nowhere. You know, now I'm thinking about it, I need to do a Moto GP shift. That's the next thing I want to do for this bike, by the way. Definitely want to do a little Moto GP shift. I think that would be, because shifting up always felt weird to me, man. So ever since I found out about it, it's been in the back of my head, bro. Because I feel like that would be so much more natural. I'm telling you, that would be so much more natural for me. This is a wide road, bro. I hear sirens. Them people still driving. Them folks are still driving. Ah, man, that never gets old. That never gets old, man. And this is just 300 cc's, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no exhaust system on this thing or nothing, bro. You know, and I got a helmet on, man. I can't wait to upgrade, you know. I can't wait to explore all that the bike life has to offer. Of course, I'm gonna stick in the sport bike range for a little bit, but eventually we go touch everything, almost everything. You know, I can never. You know, let me think of a bike that I'm the most reluctant to touch. I can't. I mean, a scooter doesn't count really. I mean, I'd touch an adventure bike. You know, that's probably definitely more comfortable for longer rides, obviously, right? So I definitely want to see what that feels like. What other type of bike, man? I don't think there isn't any motorcycle that I don't want to ride at least once or give it a test ride, you know. I'm definitely, I said this in a previous video, I definitely want something so I can start wheeling on. That dude just ran a red light. Okay, we running red lights out here now. Okay. All right, that's crazy. That's wild. I don't know what's going on through that guy's head. Yeah, but I want to start, you know, learning wheelies and stuff like that, man. Give me a little street moto or something like that, whatever they call them. Learn some wheelies and stuff like that. I also want to get a dirt bike, man. I just want to go out like in some forest or some muddy areas, or like some hilly areas, or some sandy areas, and just rip it with a dirt bike, man. That sounds real nice, not gonna lie. I know those run cheaper as well, man. Give me a little two-stroke, or I don't know about two-stroke or four-stroke, I don't know which one, but get one of them, you know. I ain't gonna look at it, you know what I'm saying, or him. I ain't gonna ask him why he ran that red light. Yeah, he's just smoking, man. He's going through it. Yeah, we're not gonna touch. We're not gonna touch that. We're not gonna talk to that guy. He's going through it. He's going through it right now. Let me head over to Atlanta Station, see what's going on down there. It look like it's gonna fall down again. I might have to cut this video short. It didn't say it was gonna rain again now. I'm starting to sweat too. Yo, see, that's my crew I'm looking for. That's my crew I'm looking for. I'm gonna get from behind that van. Now he's trying to speed up. Like I'm trying to race him. Now he wants to speed up now. All of a sudden he wants to drive with some urgency. Little does he know, it's Friday and he's not going anywhere. Fresh air. You guys in the middle of the street riding these scooters. Don't look at me, baby, looking at the road. You're driving these 15-mile-an-hour scooters. Oh, that is red. Hey, don't run. That's my fault, bro. That's my fault. You know what I'm saying? They had a tree. Folks had a whole tree blocking the light, man. What we doing? Man, these batteries run out so fast, I tell you. It's wild how fast these batteries run out. But I made it to Atlanta Station. Look at these clouds, bro. I need to stop playing with you know, because I feel like I'm being given time to find shelter. Like, look at that. Like, look at those clouds, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm being given time to find shelter before it starts pouring down. And here I am cruising through Atlantic Station. And here I am cruising. Everybody's casually walking. Hey, maybe they have read the weather report. You feel me? Maybe they have read the weather report before me, and they know something I don't know. 'Cause everybody seems to be casually walking and cruising. What is that contraption? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. I know it's about to pour any minute, and I'm not about to duck into a parking garage until that passes. Okay, so like I said, we got the video done, folks. We done the video. We done the purpose of the video. You feel me? The modifications that I've done. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna do more to it. You know, I really want to upgrade. You know, I think this point I just enjoy the bike. You know, you feel me? But appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, I'm gonna head to the house. I will see y'all soon. All right, peace.